Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you have to open Contacts application, then tap here, switch to the SIM card, then tap here once again, then tap here, go to settings, select import SIM card, OK. Here you can select contacts which you want to import, then select where you want to save them, for example to your device, and then just tap import. And now you will have these contacts not only on your SIM card but also on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.